Hi, I'm Tina Bennett from ondemandmediation.com. I'm a local attorney. I am crazy, but I'm a local attorney in Central New York. And I want to talk again about why we created on-demand mediation. I don't know if you can tell, if you recognize me from the last one I did. Today, I am shot as a lawyer. I'm exhausted because I've had back-to-back appearances with people who do not want to agree. And that means more money for me, more stress for me, and 10 times the stress and financial repercussions for you, because it's going to cost you even more money if we cannot get to a point where we're going to agree on something. Principle is great, but principle for an attorney and the court system will cost you a lot of money and just cost us a lot of time and stress attempting to get at your goal of whatever I'm representing you for and whatever the other side's trying to represent them for. So the reason why we're doing on-demand mediation is, look, you need to come to an agreement about something. There has to be something that you're going to want to agree to, whether you're going through a divorce, whether you've never been married and you were with somebody and now you have a child and you have to make decisions. Well, why are you going to let the court decide your life? You don't want the court decide your life. I would rather be by the pool. So should you want to be by the pool in the summertime rather than in court litigating whether or not, you know what, I don't want him to have an extra day of time. And by the way, if I don't get my birthday and 4 hours with our child, you don't get to take our kid to Disneyland for a week. Does that sound like rational people speaking? Now we're talking about professionals making wild, weird requests and they can't decide. So each week, we're just going to talk a little bit more since I don't want to bore you in a 2-minute segment. So again, on-demand mediation, remember this, it saves time. I don't care if we're going to come to an entire agreement, but we'll get you to start realizing it's better to agree and it'll make yourself sane rather than loco as I started this whole entire dialogue. So again, ondemandmediationllc.com, visit the site, learn some more.